Hey, data enthusiasts and data wizards! Tired of the corporate grind? Dreaming of the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss? Then dive into the world of freelance data analysis with me. Welcome back to the Analyst Lens. In today's video, we will explore everything you need to know to make the leap from honing your skills to landing your first client. So grab your favorite data visualization tool and let's get started. The first thing is, before you launch your freelance journey, ensure you have the skills clients crave. Brush up on your essential tools like Python, R, SQL, and popular data visualization platforms like Tableau or Power BI. But don't just be technically professional. Develop critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills. Clients needs analysts who can translate complex data into actionable insights. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your past projects. Even if it's personal work, remember showcasing your ability to tell a story with data is a key. Now, let's get you noticed. Craft a compelling website or online portfolio that reflects your expertise and personal brand. Utilize freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com, but don't limit yourself. Network with other data professionals and attend industry events. Build your online presence through social media like LinkedIn and showcase your data acumen by sharing insightful articles or visualizations. Remember, your brand is your business card, so make it shine. The logistics. Decide on your hourly rate or project based pricing, considering your experience and market value. Get familiar with legal contracts and invoicing practices to protect yourself and ensure smooth payment. Create a dedicated workspace, whether it's a home office or a co working space, that fosters productivity and professionalism. Remember, being your own boss comes with responsibilities, so manage your time wisely and stay organized. Landing your first client can be daunting, but don't be discouraged. Start by targeting the small businesses or startups who might not have the budget for a full time analyst. Refine your pitches to highlight your specific skills and how can you solve their unique data challenges. Utilize your networks and online presence to connect with potential clients. Remember, the first yes leads to more. So be persistent and show your value. Freelancing isn't just about technical skills, it's about building relationships. Communicate effectively with your clients, keeping them informed and addressing their concerns promptly. Deliver high quality work on time and exceed expectations. Building trust and client satisfaction is the key to repeat business and referrals. Finally, remember to continuously learn and evolve. Stay updated with the latest data trends and technologies to remain competitive and attract new opportunities.